Welcome to 14th tutorial number 40. In this tutorial we talking about this multi-section solid. So let's begin. Select the plane, go to the sketch, and we draw a rectangle here. And go to the exit workbench, and we have this square. So go to the generative shape design here, and getting the reference plane parallel to this horizontal plane with the 90 mm upper side. So this is the reference plane. So select this plane, go to the part design, and going to the sketch. So we going to this reference plane, and we taking the circle, no, rectangle, sorry, this is rectangle. We taking one rectangle and exit the workbench. So we have two rectangles perpendicular to each other with the distance of 90 mm. So in this case we have to join or merge these two sketches. So select this multi-section solid command. This is the selection one, and select the other sketch, and getting the preview. So this is the all the points are merged with all the other rectangles point. So this is the use of the multi-section solid command. This is very useful command in complicated drawing. This is a very widely used command in CATIA. So I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for watching this video till the end. See you in the next tutorial.